Hi, you guys. My name is Jorge Corona, and I want to share with you guys this document that I made using this data set, which was fails to deliver data from the SEC. Now they released this, and I see this in Reddit, and I thought it was interesting. So I imported this data, and I saw that AMC was on the list with a lot of shares failed to deliver, and I was like, okay, that's cool, but I need to visualize this data. I need to analyze this data. And so I did that. I went ahead and used this built-in tool to analyze the data by getting stock information. And I got my top picks. And AMC wasn't on it. But I got some top picks and I'm like, oh, this is interesting. And I wanted to know from that data set how many months are each of the stocks failed to deliver and how many days is it per that month. And can I relate that to the stocks? And I was like, okay, let's do this. And I imported this data set to Microsoft Access and I made this report. So let me show you guys a report. Okay, here's a report for AMC. So lots of information here that is, in my opinion, useful to try to figure out what does this mean. Total failed to deliver since January, 133 million. That's a lot. And so I'm like, okay, what else can I get from this? Percent from high. So the high was 72. We're at 47. So we're okay, 34%, which is okay, There's room for growth, yeah, sure. Average volume, okay. It's up there, but it's not that high right now, today, but tomorrow could be high. Okay, so not much information here. Let's get to the details here. So I plotted it out for the last couple months, and I summed it up. And if you look at January, out of the 30 days, and actually there's like 21 days of working days. If you're starting a work day, that you can have failed to deliver, and out of those, that month, out of the 21 days, 50 of those days had failed to deliver, and it was 70 million shares. That's a lot in January when it was squeezing. And right now we're in May, and this is only half of May. So right now we didn't know the other half, but it's already around 20 million, and it's every day. And so to me, it's like, okay, this is a red flag because it's happening every day, and the amount is pretty high. So it's like, wow, that's interesting information. The amount's pretty high, happen every day. I'll be concerned. If you look at the stock, yeah, it's going to squeeze, but I'll be concerned if I'm the hedge fund. And if you keep looking at this data set, it gets interesting, and you see that, wow, like who's this? Like, I don't know who this company is, but it has a high percentage, and to me, the stock is too low for me to trade. But look at this, it has 90 million failed to deliver in May. That's a lot. Oh, that's ridiculous. And you keep looking at this, and some stuff makes sense. Some stuff is like, why is that? I don't know what's going on. And you can try to correlate this information back to the stock, and sometimes you kind of could, sometimes you can't. And so I'm going to share this document with you guys so you guys can go and do your due diligence and determine, hey, is this good information or not? So I included all this information, and if you like this report, let me know. And thanks.